Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's morning routine is sponsored by True & Co. I'm going to go ahead and get myself ready for later on this afternoon event, and then I will share with you a little bit more about True & Co. Starting off, first things first is brushing my teeth. I do use a teeth whitening toothpaste, which requires that I also have a sensitive toothpaste that I use later on in the week. Later on after that, I am going to go in with a soap to wash my face to cleanse it. I'm not dealing with a whole lot of breakouts, but I still have little ones here and there during the month, you know, Mother Nature. And then I'm going to go ahead and hop into the shower. That part will not be recorded, unfortunately. I know y'all want to see all the goodies, but I would not be recording that part. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower and come right out. I'm going to get my deodorant and get my lotion and get my smell goods together. So now that I'm done with the hygiene side of things, I can introduce you guys to True & Co. Being a mom of two, I can say that I'm about comfortability, but also having a little bit of sexy to my attire. And True & Co.'s bras are just that. They are very comfortable and you cannot detect it under your clothing, and it gives you that really nice and naked feel. Now this is the bra when I received it 2 weeks ago. I wanted to show you that you have adjustments, that way you can tighten the bra. The bra will give you a full 1-inch lift when you put it on. If you're not into the black, I do have some more options to share with you. Or I haven't tried these on yet, but I do plan on wearing them. So this one here is the blush tone, and again, there's no wire, so there's no digging, and the back has the T. Pretty much you go onto the website and you can put like your bra size, your boob shape, which I really loved because you can do like long or round, and then it'll find the bra that is going to be the best fit for you. And one of the things that I will say about the bra is it's a lot more comfortable than wearing a sports bra. It really feels like you're naked underneath, which I love. So again, like I said, it has that double stitching at the bottom. There's no wire, no sticking, but this right here offers such a good support. I did try everything on and it fits and looks so great. Once you put it on, you really can't feel anything in there. And I will say this, if you were looking for some extra padding, which I'm really not when I'm like in the house doing things, you have a small slit right here in the back where you can insert, you know, like a little jelly or a little cutlet or something like that. But honestly, these are really good. They're a lot more comfortable than my sports bra. The True & Co. really stands behind the you feel naked, because you really do feel naked with it. But I'm going to be leaving the links down below if you guys are interested. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting myself ready, put my deodorant on, because you know you don't want to be stinky after you done took all this bath and everything. And then I am going to go ahead and move on to the part that I know you guys have really been missing, and that is the cleaning. Now clearly I just took a shower, so I'm not going to be doing like a deep cleaning. I'm just going to be doing a very, and I do mean a very light straightening up of the master bedroom and like opening up the shutters. My cousin is on the way, all the way from New York. I'm so excited. We're gonna go to dinner and do some stuff. I will be sharing that with you guys too, so definitely stay till the end.
Every day is a win, since I was told that you don't want me. Baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where I still you. Like swimming underwater, but you control I know you're concrete, 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 concrete,
Guys, I'm twisting his hair out because I know you guys tend to ask questions. I finger twisted at night. This was my first time using this gel. I don't know, he wants to grow his hair out, whatever. So I finger twist it, and then in the mornings I just open it because he tends to touch his hair a lot. So keep it from looking too frizzy, I just do the finger twist and then
leave these two open.
Okay.
Okay.
For those of you that were asking about the haircut, let me show you. He has a little bit of allergies right now, but for those of you that were asking, see, like he just lined up here and then in the front he just did that. So I didn't allow him to take it in. Normally they'd go like really deep and all that. And then this is the curls. I'll show you guys what I ended up using on it. Here is the hair gel if you guys were interested. Okay. I'm gonna link it down below, but I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed now. Look at my cousin. I did not have you on camera, girl. I cannot. Ooh, they've got grilled cheese. They got grilled cheese, Bobby. Grilled cheese? Oh. So we are at the Soho Cafe. We have to ask them. Bobby, what you looking for?
A fork.
Can I taste your grilled cheese?
Fine. You got the whole thing.
No, I don't want the whole thing. I just want a bite. Let me just taste it. Make sure I don't have no poison on it.
No poison on it. That's what I say when somebody has food. I say, can I?
Oh, look at all that good cheese. Get it.
He likes to eat, honey. You tell cousin you like to eat?
Good, fancy one.
Do you good fancy mac and cheese? Sometimes you gotta eat some fancy mac and cheese.
Ooh, slow down. It's hot. It's hot. Slow down.
Slow down.
Ooh, you got the sweet potato mashed potato, and then I have the fries. Yeah, rustic fries.
I'll be right back.
And then I have salmon. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Tris has, what do you have? You have the black bean burger, right? That's the vegan. No, you didn't get the black bean burger?
Just a regular burger, girl.
Oh, a regular burger. Okay, with mac and cheese. And my cousin got broccoli with the salmon. But look at that bacon just drizzling over there. How you doing, bacon? It's a salmon BLT.
So I guess it was
So good.
yes, sir.
And then babe got, what is that one? What is that?
Pickled coleslaw.
Pickled coleslaw with the salmon. You want to just pull your little, so I can see your salmon real quick? Ooh, look at that. That look good. All right, we're about to eat now. This is so good. And okay. Oh, you know what? Okay, yeah. Ooh, you guys, I ate everything. Now, this wasn't as sweet as I wanted it to be, but it was really good. And babe, I don't know what her plate looking like. Tristan got a lot of his stuff. My cousin over there battling with her one little piece of broccoli. We're gonna get it. Go get the tree, girl. Go and get the tree. And then Aiden had, well, he actually had two. This is the second macaroni and cheese. And then he had 2 slices of his grilled cheese sandwich. And cousin is over here picking. You want it? No?
Yeah.
Do you want it, or you want the ice cream over there?
I want the ice cream.
I want the ice cream over
We're
there
gonna go
too.
get ice cream.
Where y'all going to get our
Ice cream.
Are we walking?
Why? If I have this, I can't have ice cream.
You got room for it? Okay, go ahead, get it. I know she's taller than me, but you know. Ah, you're not funny.
It was, everybody laughed.
I'm about to take your wig off if you don't laugh.
Oh,
I'm
yes.
about
Stop
to show everybody your braids. I'm about to show everybody your braids.
So doggone. Why you gotta be? I'ma spank you. You better stop it.
Wig. Like, you know how like if you actually look at it without someone being on your head, there's little
So you're saying my hair looks real natural? Thank you.
No, when she
I haven't seen them things in a long time.
Sugar daddies. Remember we used to go to school and before school and look at the Pop Rocks.
I'll save this for later. Can I get ice cream?
Look, the cigars we used to fake was smoking.
Oh yeah, but it used to come in a box too.
Yeah, when you puff
And
it,
the
it'll
box.
powder out. Girl, we had a lit childhood. Mary Jane's over there, that older one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have a headache and I'm tired. But I did get my Astropod. It's all I got today. I'm exhausted. My head feel like it's about to hurt. I'm not really good for walking. I can eat. But y'all could have had the walking part. They could have had that. I don't know whose bright idea was to walk, but I am feeling very lightheaded. I'm supposed to eat and go to sleep. Not eat. I had to lay down. But anyway, y'all have a good one. I'm gonna finish out the rest of my day. Jew! That's the Haitian monument right there. Right there. Toussaint Louverture, right there. Yep. Alright, y'all, let me finish. Thank you again, you guys, for joining me this morning to see how my morning and also my day went. Everything that I use in the video, I will be leaving in the description box down below, including True & Co. True & Co. is about a community of women building better bras, and they sure did not miss the mark on this one. If you're not already, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!